Hello once again. In this tutorial we are going to see how we enter staff names, or a person who is going to use the system, how we should modify the data in the system such that there remains only his or her information to use the system properly. When we go to data entry tab, I find a button for staff list here. When you click it, it will load the form for you. Let's minimize the ribbon here. This is the form, and here on the right hand side we have a table containing some default information that is inside the system. There are 5 staff that have been loaded for you by default, and all the information inside, just for demonstration purpose. But you can modify one to suit what you need, and then you delete the rest of the information in the system if you don't want it. When you click on the staff, data corresponding to the staff shall be loaded in the fields. All the fields shall be loaded with that information for you here. So you can edit any information you need. You can change all these fields to suit what you need here. When you log in the system, you will see this picture when you log in for the first time, or if you've not changed the information here. You'll find that this is the default information that will be loaded for you, and the photo on the login form will be this one. So you can change all this information as you need. You type in, you change, you put in whatever you feel like changing, and whatever suits you to use the system. But there are some few things you must know that has been grouped here as identification details. We have personal details here. We have former employment details here. If you had worked somewhere else before you joined this work that we're doing. The contact information here. We have mobile phones, 2 mobile phones here, and then 2 email addresses here, and then your physical address. All this information is needed. So you can edit one staff and you delete the rest of the staff information that you don't need. At this side, your login category is determined here. I think you remember when you log in, the login form, there is this combo box still. So you determine it from here. You put in your login name, the password, your office title or position in the office, the department, the type of contract that you have, then your education level. How are you paid? Are you paid daily, weekly, after 2 weeks, monthly, quarterly, or twice a year? You select. But normally we use monthly, and that's where even our salary calculation shall be based on this monthly basis for now. So you include, do you work on Saturdays and Sundays? How much are you paid per month here? Yeah. Then you select a color from here, and you put a security question from here, and then an answer. If you forget your password, you'll be requested to enter this information to recover your password here. You'll be required to enter your question and the password, and the answer for the security question, such that your password may be covered. If you want to change the photo still, you right click on it, you press load here, and then you can look for another picture. You can look for another picture if you want. Look into where you keep, where you might have kept it, and then you look for another picture. Let's see if you can get one here or something similar to that. Yeah, you can load in any other picture if you like, and then you can do so. If you want to delete stuff, you click on the law, you click on one law, and then you say delete here. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this stuff? If you say yes, it will be deleted. The information shall be deleted. If you say no, it will not be deleted. You can clear all the fields like this, become empty, and delete. You can cross the form from here. You can remove a photo from here, you can add a photo from here, but I've simplified it in a way that you just right click on it, and then even can take it from a camera here. If you have a webcam connected to your computer, if you click on this button, it start to be activated, like here, be activated. Yeah. So you make sure that you have enough light where you want to do it from, to take your photo from, with a nice background. Yeah, that's how we go about it here. So thank you. I think you'll be able to edit the information for yourselves from here. It's very simple like that. There's nothing much you do. You change just the information to suit what the right information is on your side. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.